My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. This segment is called Reseller Reality. You will not believe the amount of questions, open cases, odd requests that I get as a reseller on a daily basis. So I'm going to start throwing in a few of those in these YouTube videos. And if you all really like these what would you do segments, please leave a comment below and let me know, and I will make more of these going forward. I'm just testing this out to see if this is something that you all are interested in. But again, as a reseller on a daily basis, I get these oddball requests that I could not make up myself. So here's just one example. On Poshmark, I sold this Under Armour half zip sweatshirt for $37. Now that was a great profit, as I only paid $3.75 for the sweatshirt at Goodwill. It sold within about 6 weeks. I mailed the shirt on December 18th. Now, knowing that date, I am aware that it could have possibly been a gift for someone, that someone was giving this to a family member as a Christmas gift. So timing was of the essence. On December 29th, the buyer actually sent me a comment saying, "Any idea why USPS is having difficulty delivering my order? I have received all purchases from other sellers. I'm getting a goofy message stating no access to deliver. I live in an apartment complex where USPS places items in our large mailboxes. Please advise ASAP." Now, again, this message was sent on December 29th. So I take everything back about it being a Christmas gift. I don't think it was a Christmas gift, or she would have reached out prior to Christmas. After checking the tracking information on the USPS website, I replied back that per the tracking information, we could not access delivery location to deliver your package at this time on this date in this place. We will redeliver on the next delivery day. No action is needed. Then I added, please be patient considering the holiday closures and weather-related road closures. The buyer escalated the case to Poshmark and they stepped in. Initially, they're like, thanks for inviting me in. And then they said exactly what I did. After review, it looks like delivery was attempted on 12/27. This often happens when USPS is unable to safely deliver the package and a notice is left. So she would have received a notice saying they attempted delivery. Poshmark asked the buyer to check with their local post office to pick up the package or arrange redelivery by visiting this web address or calling USPS. Poshmark then instructed me to let them know if the package remains undelivered by January 10th so they can assist with the next steps. Now, as of yesterday, which was January 18th, I had completely forgot about this sweatshirt, Poshmark case, all of that. I figured we were all well and good until I received this package back. And it says, return to sender, unclaimed, unable to forward, return to sender, and box full. Meaning the mailbox at her apartment, these large boxes, was full when they attempted delivery. So I hopped on the Poshmark case and let Poshmark know that it was delivered back to me unclaimed and the mailbox was full. So how am I at fault here? I did my responsibility as a seller, sold the item, shipped it to her, and she failed to pick it up. I thought maybe Poshmark would release my funds. I'm not sure, but I did not expect them to cancel the order, which you can see from this conversation. They did say, thanks for confirming the return of this package. I have moved forward with canceling the order. If you would like to list the item again for sale, please use the copy listing tool. Please let me know if there are additional questions. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think Poshmark was right in canceling the order and refunding the buyer? Or should they have released the funds from the sale since I completed my portion of the transaction? So moving forward, I relisted the item on Poshmark. I used my handy dandy cross-posting tool List Perfectly to post the item from Poshmark to Mercari, Facebook, and eBay. And if you are new to List Perfectly, you can save 30% off of your first month subscription with my code MONEY, M-O-N-E-Y. And I will have that link in the description below. If you'd like to give it a try, you're under no obligation. and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it just as much as I do. So back to the sweatshirt. I've relisted it on all the platforms. I've blocked that Poshmark buyer, as I definitely do not want to go through this again. And if any of you are interested in a half zip pullover Under Armour sweatshirt, it's available in all of my online stores. And that's what I'm showing you here. I'm on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and even Amazon. You can find all of my links at pieceofscrap.com. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life of a reseller vlog, reseller reality. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call this little segment, but if you guys do enjoy this, go ahead and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a picture of a clown in the comments below, so I know you've made it this far and enjoyed this little tidbit of reseller reality. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do consider becoming a Piece of Scrap fan and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, click the bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another video here. Continue